get a faster decision on your visa or settlement application, UK has two services, priority services and super priority visa services. Recently, UK has made a huge update for these services. Hello friends, we are Team Beyond Schooling and today we are going to talk about the update that UK government had made and how you can still manage to get a visa on time. Please subscribe to our channel if you are new to it. Press the bell button to get the notification on time. Let's get started. The update is that UK has cancelled the priority and super priority visa services because of the Ukraine issue. UK government is going to give priority to the Ukraine people who will apply for the visa. Actually, the normal visa process takes almost 6 weeks to complete the application. If you want to apply for May 2020 intake, please apply for visa as soon as possible. The second update is regarding the September intake 2022, that is for the session 2022. The courses are filled and if you are planning to apply, please apply because they will be completely filled till May or June. So please apply now or you won't get a seat. Friends, these were the two important updates. If you want to see similar content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get the notification on time. And please like and share the video if you like our content. Thanks for watching.